Replacing the windows in your Little Rock home is one of the best investments you can make for improving comfort, efficiency, and overall value. But for many homeowners, cost is a major concern, and understandably so. The good news is that you don't have to sacrifice performance or style to stay within your budget. Today's market offers many budget-friendly replacement window solutions that deliver long-term benefits without breaking the bank. Here's a guide to the most affordable and high-performing window options available to Little Rock homeowners. Vinyl windows, the most cost-effective and popular choice. Vinyl windows are widely considered the best value for homeowners who want durability and energy efficiency at a lower price point. They are made of PVC material that resists warping, fading, rotting, and corrosion, perfect for Little Rock's hot summers and seasonal humidity. Benefits of vinyl windows: excellent insulation for year-round comfort, low maintenance, no painting or staining required, affordable compared to wood or fiberglass, long-lasting, budget-friendly performance. Vinyl windows come in a variety of styles such as double-hung, sliders, picture windows, and casements, allowing you to upgrade your entire home without exceeding your budget. Double-pane glass for energy efficiency without the extra cost. While triple-pane windows offer premium insulation, double-pane options provide plenty of energy-saving benefits at a more budget-friendly price. In Little Rock, where summers are warm and winters can be chilly, double-pane glass is more than sufficient for most homes. Advantages include lower energy bills, improved indoor temperature consistency, reduced outside noise, better humidity and condensation control. Paired with low-E glass or argon gas fills, double-pane windows offer excellent energy performance without the added cost of advanced upgrades. Sliding windows for a budget-friendly, modern look. Sliding windows are often less expensive than other types because their design is simple and requires fewer moving parts. This makes them a great option for Little Rock homeowners looking to save money while still enjoying ease of use and a sleek appearance. Sliding windows offer large glass areas that bring in more light, smooth operation for years with minimal maintenance, lower cost compared to casement or double-hung windows, excellent airflow when opened fully. These budget-friendly benefits make them ideal for living rooms, kitchens, or wide wall spaces. Choose standard sizes to reduce costs. Custom window sizes are sometimes necessary, especially in older homes, but they tend to be more expensive. When possible, choosing standard-sized replacement windows helps keep costs down while still giving your home a refreshed look. Standard sizes offer faster manufacturing times, lower material and labor costs, easier installation, plenty of style and customization options. Little Rock homeowners often find that standard sizing fits perfectly with minimal modifications. Prioritize energy-saving features that provide long-term value. Even when working within a limited budget, some energy-saving upgrades are worth the investment because they reduce utility costs over time, which is especially beneficial during Little Rock's hot summers. Affordable upgrades include low-E glass for UV and heat control, argon gas fills for better insulation, warm edge spacers to reduce heat loss, vinyl or fiberglass frames for energy efficiency. These features provide long-term savings without significantly increasing upfront costs. Professional installation maximizes your investment. Even budget-friendly windows can underperform if installed incorrectly. That's why homeowners should always choose professional installation to ensure a tight, weatherproof fit. Professional installation guarantees proper sealing to reduce drafts, smooth operation of window mechanisms, protection against water leaks and damage, higher energy efficiency for years to come. A well-installed affordable window can outperform an expensive one that's installed poorly. Affordable window upgrades with lasting benefits. You don't need a large renovation budget to enjoy the benefits of new, energy-efficient windows in your Little Rock home. With options like vinyl frames, double-pane glass, sliding designs, and selective energy upgrades, you can dramatically improve comfort, curb appeal, and efficiency without overspending. If you're ready to refresh your home with budget-friendly replacement windows, now is the perfect time to explore options that fit your needs, style, and budget, while delivering the long-term value Little Rock homeowners deserve.